Hi, I'm Dan Zingaro, and I'm a computer science professor at University of Toronto.
I'm Leo Porter, and I'm a computer science professor at the University of California, San Diego. Dan and I have been researching how to teach students to program for over a decade, and cannot be more excited about how tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT will change introductory programming forever.
The thing is, programming languages require the programmer to follow stringent, detailed rules before they can even get started. These rules can be super frustrating. If we could shift the focus away from these rules, we believe more people would become excited about programming.
Indeed, tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT do exactly this by shifting the focus to high-level problem-solving skills. So instead of focusing on learning stringent rules, we get to focus on what's core to writing good software.
In our book, you'll learn how to use GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT to program a computer using natural English language. You'll write apps to carry out data science and machine learning tasks. You'll learn how to write computer games, and you'll learn how to automate tedious tasks that would otherwise take you hours to complete.
Our book is meant for learners of all ages who want to learn to program. And for those of you who have tried to program before but thought it wasn't for you, we bet you'll be excited to learn this new way of programming.
Hi, I'm Dan Zingaro, and I'm a computer science professor at University of Toronto.
I'm Leo Porter, and I'm a computer science professor at the University of California, San Diego.